Fear of your wig losing shine after a few years. So this is the wig that my client brought. Yes. And she said she wanted to revamp it. So this is when I finished revamping the wig and I started the front and it was time to roll. So a lot of ladies have this fear that if they are wearing their wigs constantly, that it will lose shine and before you know it, they won't wear it again and it will be waste of money. So this wig you're seeing on this video was actually revamped by me and I allowed it to dry before I started rolling. So if you have wigs that have lost this shine, they can actually be revamped. If today said that even after revamping it, you think that it's a new wig, yes, it's possible. It's possible for you to revamp old wigs and make them become new. When she gave me this wig, she was scared. I don't know how this wig will come. I said, don't worry, just bring, let me revamp it. And after revamping it, you use your mouth to testify if this was actually your old wig or it's actually a new wig that I switched. So this is the wig that my client brought for revamping. So the process that I did with this wig after detangling it, I revamped it with good treatment. After treating, I allowed it to dry. After drying, this after drying, I decided to roll the hair. This is when I was rolling the hair. So rolling of hair, you can actually roll your wig when it's wet. That's after revamping it and washing off the treatment, or you allow it to dry, then you roll it. It's a two-way thing. You just have to choose the one that will me. I make decisions based on how busy I am. So this was when I was styling the wig. Just watch the process. Watch the process. So in this part, I was actually styling the front because the beauty of your wig after revamping it, apart from rolling, how do you style the front to come out? So the way you style the front of your wig, the closure part, also adds more beauty to me. That's whenever I'm revamping, I ensure that I spend quality time arranging that closure part, be it the closure part or the closure part or the frontal because wigs have frontal, it has closure. So depending on the one your wig comes with, it can be closure, it can be frontal. So the styling pattern is different and depending on what you want to achieve. Do you want a C cut? Do you want a straight cut? So this wig. She said she needed a straight cut. She doesn't want a C cut. So that was what I was doing here. So depending on the kind of closure or frontal that is on your hair will determine if they can style it straight or if they can actually give it a C cut or any kind of cut you want. I was really taking my time here. Let's continue. So while styling the front, I used my invisible hood. I used my muse, yes. I also used my Mr. Body. I also used what else did I use here? I used my Gorilla Gel. A little, yes. Because I like giving a styling that lasts. The closure part lasts. You can wear it for more than 1 week and the closure part is still there for you. So I really take my time whenever I'm styling it so it can hold and also last for my clients. Let's continue. So that was what I was actually doing here. I was applying those things to make sure I have a clean closure. So this was me spraying my invisible hood. I want that part to be very strong with my brush. Then I'm using a band to hold that part. So when it comes to styling, there are different processes involved. It depends on the one you want to use and what you want to achieve. So this is the hair after I finish rolling it. So this is what the hair looks like after I finish rolling it. You can see how beautiful it looks. And ta-da, this is the final outcome after revamping the hair, after rolling it. This is what it looks like. Is it not beautiful? So if you have that fear that your hair will actually lose shine after work, after wearing a few times, I want you to know that you can actually revamp it and bring back that shine. Yes, it's possible for that shine to come back. You don't have to be scared that, oh, because your wig will lose shine, you will not wear it, you just leave it in your house. It doesn't make sense. You wear your wig to your satisfaction, and when it loses the shine, you revamp them and bring them back to life. Yes, you revamp it and bring it back to life. Bring it back. You restore the shine. Thank you. And if you haven't revamped your wig, send it for revamping. So this is the final result, the pictures from the revamp page. Can you see the coils? They are well defined.